Hi guys, my name is Neo Vu, and today we're going to talk about when is a good time to get a refurbishment kit on your custom brace or non-custom brace. So a lot of the times you can actually get your soft good kit reimbursed by your health insurance. You will need a doctor's note most likely. If that's the case, it all depends on your plan. So today we're going to go through just changing the parts on this brace to let you know that what parts can be changeable. Of course, this is only applicable to this brace. So the refurbishment kit can include everything from new straps to new pads to new liners. So this is an off-the-shelf brace, so all the parts are just generic. When you go to a custom brace, some of the parts will need to be specially cut and sewed, so that takes a little bit longer to get. But again, all the soft parts to all of these braces are interchangeable and they can be replaced out. So this is actually a brace from one of my clients who's requested to get his full brace refurbished. When you get a refurbishment kit, you can actually get the brace repainted as well, but we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna change out everything from subshells to the liners to the D-rings, to the pads, and all the straps, okay? So right now in this package, I'm gonna pull out all the parts, and luckily this brace is field serviceable, so I can do this all in store just to save us time from shipping. So I'm gonna just take all the parts off, and this is how we can do that, okay? So everything is completely removable. You can do this yourself, but I do recommend that you take it into the brace tech and they can do it for you. So that was a quick tutorial of how to put the brace together. As you can see here, it did take some time, and I do have all the tools I need to do it here. So I do recommend that you take it back to your brace technician so that they can take it apart and put it back together for you. And if they don't have the tools or the parts to do that, they can ship it back to the manufacturing where you got your brace from, and they can do that for you as well. That just takes a little bit more time. So again, if you feel like your brace needs a new refurbishment kit, or if you're just looking to get individual parts, feel free to come in, shoot us an email, or give us a call, and someone here will be happy to help you.